What makes a personal injury claim valid? Attorney Mace Yampolsky says, the first thing would be to establish the liability and see whether or not there was clear liability. If both people entered an intersection and had a head-on collision, in which one was coming from the right side and one was coming from the left side through the intersection, then the question would be whether there was a light. And if there was a light, then who had the green light and whether witnesses supported that. If the cars were driving towards each other, witnesses would be needed to decide who was at fault. If there were no witnesses and both parties claimed that the other party was at fault, in that case, you would probably need an accident reconstructionist. The other thing would be whether there were definite and significant injuries. If someone got tapped in the rear and that caused $200 worth of damage, but their injuries were not significant and they were treated with a doctor for over $10,000, then it would seem like they had overtreated and that they were malingering, which would not be a good case. Most insurance companies would say the person was obviously malingering and that they were lying. It would be preferable if the person had not had an accident previously. If so, we would need to get into how much the damage was because of this accident and how much was because of the other accident. The insurance company will use this information in an attempt to lessen the value of the claim. It would also be preferable to have someone with a clean driving record and someone who does not overtreat. It would be one thing if someone whose car was totaled ended up with a $5,000 medical bill from the medical doctor and the chiropractor or the physical therapist, and it would be another thing if the person was tapped and had a $5,000 medical bill. For a free phone consultation, contact attorney Mace Yampolsky in Las Vegas, Nevada at 702-843-0939 or visit him on the web at www.macelaw.com.